update Estonia. So my 200 is in. Kitchen's not quite finished, just finishing off at the moment. My wife's just been doing the tiling, bit of grouting to do tomorrow. And over to my cylinder. So we've got Prostel solar cylinder in at the top and linked across between the two coils out at the bottom. Estonian style filling loop, so this is taken off. No requirement here for a double check valve, so this isn't left for a customer to fill in Estonia either. Same as in Germany, that's filled by your engineer, and then after that you don't have leaks and you don't have pressure loss, and you have your boiler serviced. So here we've got the HEP2O for the discharge. Additional expansion vessel. It's actually the second hand one I brought back from England because I'm tight. And here we've got this mega cheap heat welded pipe system, which is actually used around the whole flat. I kept it in copper at the cylinders because there's so many fittings, and the plastic system is a real pain to use. It takes a lot of time and everything's got to be positioned perfectly as you make it up. So didn't want to get into that, so I did all this in copper. Then when I got to the nice long straight runs, I went into this plastic system, and when I got to the boiler we went into a little bit of Alupex MLCP crimp fit. Let's go to boiler. No problem with connecting direct to the boiler in Europe, it's only in England. Of course, no requirement for G3 here either, so it's only because I brought the equipment over from England that I bothered with the discharge pipe. No discharge pipe on a cylinder in Estonia, just a little pipette kind of drip device. Got aluminium radiators, and that's all run in the same plastic system. I've just done my expansion vessel settings, and while I was doing that I took a chemical analysis of the system, and telling tap water is perfect. Conductivity 250 microsiemens, and pH was 7.3. Checked my system water, I've got pH at 7.4. As the heating system hasn't been run yet, so basically it hasn't cooked the water, so I've still got a little bit of work to do on that to get the pH up, but then I'm going to need to treat it to get the pH down to make it compatible with the aluminium radiators. So I'm trying to get that down probably about 6.8, somewhere around there, but I've got to find some suitable chemicals out here to do that with. Gas supply is done. I'll show you an Estonian gas meter. Similar to the UK, but no working pressure test point, no way of carrying out a soundness test, tightness test other than at the boiler, so that's quite interesting. And there's no scent in the gas here, completely smell free, so you don't know if you've got a leak from smell, and you've got no way of tightness testing other than at the boiler. So I guess they sell a lot of leak detection spray for gas work out here. Got a gas cooker here. I've got no idea how that compares to a UK gas cooker, but everything seems to be okay.